Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a definitive, no-nonsense comparison between Vyond and Animaker, the two absolute titans of the cloud-based animation world, to reveal exactly which platform deserves your hard-earned dollars. If you are a content creator, educator, or corporate instructional designer attempting to scale your video pipeline, choosing between these environments dictates whether you will be working with high-speed automated drafting or a hyper-flexible manual asset canvas. We begin with Vyond, which stands as the uncontested industry standard for professional business learning and enterprise training operations. The absolute flagship advantage of Vyond is its unmatched speed to first draft, driven by their powerful Vyond Go generative engine, which allows you to plug in a text script, a website link, or a raw business PDF file to instantly output a fully structured, multi-scene video draft with perfectly synchronized human-like text-to-speech tracking and contextually accurate animations. Furthermore, Vyond boasts an incredibly realistic lip-sync matrix and high-tier compliance certifications like SOC 2, making it an absolute fortress for corporate data. However, this high-end enterprise positioning comes with intense financial friction, as Vyond's entry tiers start at an aggressive $99 a month, scaling steeply while locking advanced branding tools and crucial collaboration behind rigid annual commitments. On the opposite side of the spectrum, Animaker positions itself as the ultimate cost-effective sandbox for solo creative minds, small businesses, and social media managers who prioritize deep physical customization over automated corporate templates. Starting at a fraction of the cost, Animaker throws open a staggering asset universe containing over 100 million stock elements, alongside an incredibly granular, deep custom character builder that lets you tweak wardrobe combinations, distinct facial profiles, and precise movement structures. Where Animaker triumphs is its artistic elasticity, giving you full control over camera movements, infographic styling, charts, and precise layer positioning to ensure your videos never look like generic corporate presentations. But operating inside Animaker's expansive editor exposes notable performance boundaries, as heavy media tracks frequently trigger severe rendering lag, viewport stuttering, and sporadic timeline crashes on lower-spec hardware that can completely derail your editing flow. Ultimately, if you are an enterprise team or an agency requiring rapid-fire compliance videos, polished data visualizations, and automated document-to-video drafting, Vyond is the clear superior powerhouse worth the investment. But if you are an independent creator who demands maximum artistic freedom and detailed character design on a reasonable budget, Animaker is easily your best choice. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.